Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Ever dreamed of running your own business without handling inventory? That's the beauty of dropshipping. It's like being a middleman connecting buyers on eBay with suppliers on AliExpress. You list products, make sales, and AliExpress handles the shipping. Easy peasy. eBay is a fantastic starting point because it's user-friendly and boasts millions of active buyers. And guess what? AliExpress is your secret weapon, overflowing with millions of products at crazy low prices. With over 100 million products available and 150 million active users, you're sure to find winning items for your eBay store. But how do you actually do it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This guide will break down the entire process into bite-sized steps so you can start raking in those profits in no time. First things first, you need an eBay account. It's as easy as signing up for any other online service. Just head over to ebay.com, click register, and follow the prompts. Be sure to choose a catchy username that reflects your brand. Next, you'll want to connect your eBay account to AliExpress. While there's no direct integration, there are handy dropshipping tools like Deesers that streamline the process. These tools let you import products from AliExpress to your eBay store with just a few clicks. Once you've linked your accounts, it's time to choose your product niche. Research is key here. Explore trending products, analyze competitor listings, and identify gaps in the market. Remember, finding the right products is crucial for your dropshipping success. AliExpress is your gold mine for finding awesome products at unbelievably low prices. With millions of products to choose from, you're sure to find something that aligns with your chosen niche. When browsing on AliExpress, pay close attention to product ratings and reviews. Look for products with high ratings and positive feedback from previous buyers. This is a good indicator of product quality and supplier reliability. Another crucial factor is supplier communication. Don't hesitate to reach out to suppliers directly through the AliExpress messaging system. Ask about shipping times, product quality, and anything else that comes to mind. A responsive and helpful supplier can make your dropshipping journey much smoother. Section 4. Listing like a pro, showcasing your products on eBay. Now comes the exciting part. Listing your products on eBay. When creating your listing, high-quality images are a must. Use clear, well-lit photos that showcase your product from different angles. Your product description should be concise, informative, and engaging. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product using bullet points for easy readability. Don't forget to optimize your listing for search engines by using relevant keywords in your title and description. Pricing your product strategically is crucial for maximizing profits. Research competitor pricing and factor in your desired profit margin. Consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers, as free shipping is a major incentive for online shoppers. Section 5. Conclusion. Your dropshipping journey begins now. Congratulations. You're now equipped with the knowledge to launch your very own dropshipping business on eBay using AliExpress. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your store and product offerings. The world of dropshipping is your oyster. With hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit, you can achieve your financial goals and build a thriving business from the comfort of your own home. Now go out there and make it happen.